Hey, Utadu viewers, how are you? Thank you for subscribing to my channel. We are growing strong. And today, get one extra person to benefit from what I train my farmers. So, the other day, we were able in a video, and therefore they come with all the nutrients that you need. So today I want to train you on preparing them. So we harvested them, reached a point of plucking the vegetables from the stems. And today, I'll train you on the next steps. You are welcome. My viewers, my dear viewers, this is where we got the vegetables from, as you can see. And then we came and prepared them at this area. These are the vegetables in my garden. So we prepared them in this area. We removed these stems and we said that your rabbits can be able to feed on these stems. So don't throw them away. And these are the remains of the vegetables. This is why we are preparing them. Remember, I was sitting here. Then today, we have prepared the vegetables, and we are now on our way to preparing them. So they are here, all ready for preparation. So what shall we do next? We will come to the fireplace. Remember, this is the traditional fireplace, 1 to 3 stones. So there you are with the vegetables. Now, I don't know whether most of you know how to make this fire. Here, where we used to use firewood, and I can see we only have one firewood there, and of course some papers to lit this fire. In traditional African setup, we used to get a piece of amber, a piece of fire from a neighbor, and then come here and light your fire. But today we shall use a matchbox because that's a bit modern. We shall use a matchbox and be able to light this fire. But remember, we have to wash the vegetables thoroughly. Wash several times because of the soil from the farm. Because during the rains, a lot of soil jumps onto the vegetables, and therefore you have to wash very well. And then the next thing you will do is to ensure that you actually directly fry, not with a lot of fire. You just wash, and then in the next session, I'll show you how to fry the vegetables. So you're welcome to the next session. Making the fire. So lunch is almost at the corner.
Let me tell you how the business goes. When you're hot and not your garments, live upright and live where these then don't sell your soul for the gold. You better know how to take control. Some sell it for the dollars and pence to change them lifestyle and can't pay them rent. Money gone cold, girl gone home, things topsy-turvy, out of control. Capping up a toll and can't save them soul. Never tell the father got to take control. Thanks and praises, but I really know like glory. Me go learn the road code, cause strings and sparks are locked down the road. You know, licky, only God he knows. And let me tell you how the business go. Let me tell you how the business go.
Fire.
Let me tell you straight, I sparks and twins now. You can believe me.
So
We came from Uganda. You are wonder. Holla. Okay. 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 Okay.
for watching.
Okay.
On
Okay.
the next
Okay.
video.
Okay.
So yes,
Okay.
like,
Okay.
comment,
Okay.
share,
Okay. Get down,
and
get
subscribe
down,
so that
get down.
many other people can see videos that educate you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. First and foremost, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. I started with 1 subscriber. Now I'm at 500, and I'm aiming to do 1,000 in the next 1 month. I have about 40 videos that I have brought you. You can go back and then be able to watch them, mostly on rabbit farming. Now today, I want to, having interacted with farmers for a very long time, I just want to take you through um, the African vegetables that you can be able to get without spending a dime on your farm or a neighbor's farm. Yeah. So when you see a neighbor coming to actually request you that they actually get vegetables from your farm, now that the rains are here, take advantage of them and allow them to get the vegetables. I have done that a lot because I love African vegetables. Which are they? Today I'll take you through my farm and what vegetables are available. As you can see, that's the rabbit farm over there. And this is my farm. Not big, not so big, but it can be able to get us vegetables for our use. Now, the first vegetable I'll talk about is the blackjack. You see these leaves, you see these stems can be able to be fed as mboga. Blackjack grows wildly and it's very abundant, but we call them weeds, but it's not a weed. You can be able to actually eat this as mboga. So our item number 1 is blackjack. Our item number 2 are bean leaves. In a bean, the leaves can be used as vegetables. You just cook it to tender, and then you'll be able to eat that as ugali. So our item number 2, our weed number 2, our forage number 2, our mboga number 2 is bean leaves. We go on. We have this plant too. Um, I don't have its name, but it is very abundant, as you can see on the video. This plant is very abundant in your farm. This can also be used as mboga, and especially for those people with diabetes and all that, it can be able to uh, uh, um, enable them be able to reduce the sugar level in their bodies. So we move on. Apart from that, we go on checking. We go on checking in my farm. We go on checking. Yes, we have this plant. In Kikuyu, we call it togotia. This is very abundant in your farm. Whenever it rains, a lot of these plants grow. This is our mboga number 4, togotia in Kikuyu. I don't know the English names, the scientific names, but I know them. I know the mboga as togotia, and I have oftenly eaten this mboga, and it is very nutritious. So please don't, if this grows in your farm, do not call it a weed and read it out. First of all, get mboga from it, and you'll be you enjoy your meal very well. So we go on. Remember, we also have, apart from the mboga that I've described to you, obviously we have that plant that I talked about. It's very abundant in this farm, so we can be able to get good mboga from there. Also togotia here. So we go to mboga number 5. Mboga number 5. In this farm, in this farm, in this farm. Not a lot of it. Yes, we have amaranth. We have amaranth. We have the pink type here. That's mboga number 6. Or rather, mboga number 5. We have amaranth. Amaranth could be red or could be green. I've seen another one here. So it's here. It's here. This is mboga number 5, amaranth. So we go on checking. We go on checking. Yeah. We also have another one here. Yeah. This is what we in Kikuyu we call njogo. The black jogo is here. The leaves can be used as mboga. As you can see, mboga number 6 here. So I will, at the end of this video, I'll actually take you through how you prepare this meal in a very simple way. So this is also mboga, the black jahe. We call it jahe. I don't know what you call it in your language, but it is mboga. So don't have a problem when you have this on your farm. Just get some leaves, and you'll be having vegetables for your ugali. So we go on. We go on checking. We go on checking. We go on checking. Oh, Cosmo, you're also here. Yeah? Following us. Eh? We have the green amaranth here, mboga number 6. This is also mboga you can be able to use for your ugali. Of course, we have spinach too here. We have spinach in this particular farm. That's mboga number 7. Though not so traditional, but you can be able to mix with these others and be able to get good ugali. We have this one too. I don't have the proper name, but this is all a little bit bitter when you cook it, but very good for ugali. Mboga number 7. And then we have the proper amaranth, the one that is very much known. This is also mboga. Amaranth, the normal one that is known. A bit slippery when you are eating it, but very good and nutritious. So that's our mboga number 7, 8. Yeah, mboga number 8. And I think from there we can be able to get some kales in my farm too. That's mboga number 9. Mboga number 9 here. This is the kales. You can be able to use this as mboga too. So I've taken you through nine vegetables in my farm, growing wildly, except spinach and kales. And of course, we have from that. Let me take you through. We also have what we call onions, spring onions, growing here. So this is also combined with this. You have a very good meal, a very good mboga, very good vegetables. How do you prepare them? Thoroughly wash them because they are found in the wild, so there is a lot of soil, yeah, and you could also been having insects that are affecting them. Um, so what you do is that you wash them thoroughly, checking each leaf to see that they are actually clean. After that, after washing them, then um, you may either cut them into pieces or boil them in whole, the whole leaf. Uh, if the leaf is too broad, ensure that you cut it maybe into two so that you use it very well for your ugali on you're eating your ugali. So ensure that you boil them. After washing, you boil them, and then slightly or steam them slightly, and then fry them. If you have rabbit meat, eh, eat it along rabbit meat, and you'll be having a balanced diet. So we have ugali, you have this traditional mboga, and then you also have rabbit meat. You'll be eating a very good balanced meal. And so my viewers, I've already harvested the boga, the vegetables, the African vegetables, and I'm here now preparing. The first thing is to cut them, to get the leaves from these weeds, as I'm doing. Um, just this way. This is blackjack. Blackjack. Oh, this is not blackjack. This is the other plant that I showed you. Uh, then you get the leaves from there. You get the leaves, and then you put it on the side. So this you can feed to your rabbits. By the way, after wilting. Um, then we have this one that we harvested. Remember. So you come here, cut the leaves and the flowers. They're also edible, by the way. These flowers. So you cut like this. I'm quite fast on this. I'm an African boy. I know how to prepare these meals. As you can see, then here we are. I'm actually done. I'm that fast. So you come to the amaranth. You look for the leaves. The leaves are the ones that are actually edible. You just cut them like this. Prepare them. The other one you just cut, 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 cut. Remember, even these parts are eaten too. So there we are. So you cut them like that. You cut them like that, and there you are. Then you come to there. Oh, this is the njugu. So here we are. We cut the leaves. You cut the leaves. You cut the leaves like this. You cut the leaves as fast as this, and then here you are. They are now ready to be prepared. You come to what we call spaghetti. You then cut these leaves out for you to make them, prepare them as the vegetables for the day, including the flowers. Okay, and I'm on to the last one, where you just remove the leaves. Remove the leaves. But the African vegetables are very nutritious because they leave you very well in terms of digestion, and even your skin will keep glowing. So if you want to have a very good skin, use these African vegetables, including others that I don't have here. What we call the African bright, or what we call managu. Others are marenge pumpkins. Others are, apart from pumpkins, we have and the brights. We also have other Africans like murenda. and all that. So thank you so much, my viewers. I'm ready to now go wash my vegetables and then prepare them for the meal today. Remember, we even have the stinging nettle here, and all of them are mixed up here, and therefore you can imagine a wonderful lunch that I'll be having today. You're welcome. Not to eat today, but to subscribe, share, like, and comment. And God will bless you. Thank you. Goodbye.